Up next on HobbyLink International, a commemorative group build. Hey everybody, this is Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com, and today we're going to talk about a new group build that we just put up on the site. It's the VJVE 75th Anniversary Group Build. The group build is going to be commemorating the 75th anniversary of World War II, but there's going to be a little twist to the group build, and I'll have all the rules in the description below. There'll be a link so you can check them out. This way you don't have to worry if you missed anything during the video. So you can build anything from World War II, but it doesn't specifically have to be from the war. It's going to be from the time period of 1939 to 1945, and it could be anything in there, civilian-wise, military-wise, anything like that. You'll see in the description, you can do something from the war, or you can do something like kids playing in the street at home or European countryside. You know, it doesn't have to be about all the horrors of war. It could actually be some of the good things that were going on during that time period, or if you were into cars from that time period, you can build that. So anything from that time period at all. It's commemorating more of the whole time period than rather just focusing on the horrors of war. We want to have just a diverse group of builds inside the group build. So basically what I'm going to probably do is the Andrea Miniatures War is Over, and there's a picture of it right here. That's an iconic picture we all know. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing for this group build. I might try to find something else because that's just a little 1/32 scale miniature. But if you're interested in the group build, come over to HobbyLinkInternational.com, find the group build rules over there. Like I said, there'll be a link in the description, and there's also going to be a link in the description for the group build itself inside our community. We hope you join the community and put all your pictures in there that you're going to, during your build and then your finished build, because all the finished builds for all of our group builds go onto the main site as an article. This way they don't get lost inside of the community, and you can always find them on the site itself. A lot easier than searching through the community. If you have any questions or comments about the group build, please put them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Or if you want to email me directly, you can at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com. We hope to see a lot of you over at the site joining the group build. I hope you guys have a great night. Take care and bye-bye.